It's your boy Chris back at it again. Hope that y'all doing good. Hope everything's good, you know, all that good stuff. As y'all can tell by the title of the video, today's the day. No more stock exhaust. We have just arrived here at Race Factory. I did not have enough time to get you some pulls of the stock exhaust before. What's up, Josh? So I'll just throw in a clip of where I revved it with the stock exhaust, and keep in mind it did have a resonator delete. So yeah, it was a cool sound, but let's just hope that these new mufflers, these Dynamax mufflers, they are the super turbo mufflers. Let's hope it changes up the sound. I'm also getting an custom X pipe, so let's just hope it's a little bit louder until I get long tube headers, and that it's gonna be hella loud. So I was just talking to Josh, one of the people here at Race Factory, and my car was supposed to go on the lift right now when I pulled up, but there is this Bel Air, an American car that they're working on, and he was saying how Japanese cars are so much easier to work on because with American cars there's just so many different variations of one part, and that's true. And I was just hella laughing because obviously I own an American car and it has been difficult to work on because it's either one thing or another, but then it's another. It's like, it's all bad, but it was just hella funny how we were saying that, and my car's here, and also my subframe connectors were in the way, so, you know, I had to order different mufflers, and it was just kind of ironic. It's hella funny. Josh is gonna give me a call once they're working on the car and on the lift, so I can get some footage for you guys, but other than that, let's get straight to the footage.
Damn, Dom, you did this shit?
We have a killer on the loose.
Fuck, I don't need any more of that, bro.
Still haven't hired me.
What? What do you mean more? Hold on. Oh no.
Dude, it looks sick. Damn.
Hey, Josh, give me the rundown, bro. Give me the rundown.
Ah, dude, this thing looks so good. I know it's not done, but it looks so good.
Holy shit. Hot as fuck up there.
It is, right?
You do a lot of this yourself?
The brakes, the suspension, and that's it, yeah. Because I didn't do this. I didn't do the subframe connectors other than paint them. And
That's what I was wondering. I was like, why the f are these painted?
oh, so yeah, I painted them because they welded them in.
So what does this do?
Because like the subframes on these cars, it's unibody, so it's not connected. Like it's not a full
Frame rail.
Yeah,
From here.
I had no frame rail.
Does this reduce flex?
Yeah, reduces flex. Yeah, so that's why.
Was it a big difference when you got those
Oh
installed?
yeah, oh yeah.
That's crazy.
Because like before, when I took it to the on a little back road, like when I did the coilovers and the arms, like it felt good, but I still felt
twist.
flex. Yeah. And I was like, fuck that. I was like, you know what? Throw these on and then finish all my suspension stuff.
Pretty dialed.
Yeah, dude. Thank you. This is gonna be something crazy, bro. Damn, we couldn't even see.
Explain this, Chris.
Bruh,
What
look,
is the benefit?
Dude.
Just chassis stiffness or what?
Cause my car doesn't have a full freaking subframe, dude. That's why they're called subframe connectors.
That makes sense.
Why do you think I kept on calling them subframe connectors? You didn't get it?
No. Because JDM cars are built properly.
Yes, I know. And American cars are very difficult, and that's what me and Josh were talking about last time when they were working on the Bel Air.
You had to bring it here, so it's gonna be like a little lower than the tips. But geez, dude, that's wide.
Why me, white boys?
I literally told Chris, I was like, bro, have them like custom make you an exhaust where it comes up and then just dual exit.
It comes out through here.
Straight up.
That'd be sick.
That's what I was telling them, but I was like, nah.
You'd have to get like a fuel cell probably. But
I know, yeah, I'd probably have to get a fuel cell, yeah. And they make them too.
It'd be like the
Pretty
same
sick.
lean, but with a circle.
I know.
And this is what, the Panhard bar or whatever?
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the Panhard bar.
So So this
look.
just kind of straightens everything out.
Yeah,
Make sure it's
remember
even
how
on both sides.
axle
just one
was-
of them
yeah,
is, like, poking out.
You see how it's bolted up to the chassis?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's bolted up to the chassis, so you know all of the stiffness. Pause. Sick though, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, I told Evan, I was like, I don't know how you guys are gonna do it, but do your thing.
They said they're gonna basically take it
A
out
little S bend, yep.
120 degree,
Yeah.
and then come out, which is gonna be sick.
It's gonna look pretty sick.
And then hopefully with that too, they can like tuck it higher.
Yeah, I mean,
That
because
way,
like
so
they
it's
said,
not, like, scraping all the
yeah,
time.
because it's gonna be a little bit lower, just like they said, but
I mean, look,
it's fine.
you can
Yeah, I'm already scraping on this, so
the resonator doesn't.
yeah.
I took it to Andy, by the way.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, he's so funny, bro. He's like, yeah, buddy.
He always says that, bro. He's hella funny.
Oh, he's like-
he did my resonators.
Oh, he's the guy?
Bro, he's my muffler guy.
Bro, that dude's hella funny, bro. He's like, yeah, buddy, I got you, buddy.
Hey, shout out to Andy. Shout out to Andy. Evan's not even done. It already looks good. I'm gonna just tell him throw it on like that. No, I'm just like.
It hangs down like a little bit lower just because, I mean, you have to just shoot up.
Yeah,
There you
it's
go.
fine.
But tuck it up as high as I
Yeah.
could.
I'm hyped for this. Hey, fool. Hey, y'all should follow my channel because I need money.
Nope. Cut out.
I need money so I could buy a camera like Chris's because right now I'll be using a GoPro.
This camera is hecka old. You got better quality than I do.
It's a GoPro.
This isn't even 4K. This is 1080p.
Okay, but it looks better than mine. Why? Because my laptop can't process.
Well, buy a new laptop. These welds are terrible.
These are fresh.
I definitely had a freaking exhaust leak.
Fuck yeah. What the fuck was going on in this guy's head?
These
Put it
welds
on
are
there.
terrible.
Huh? It smells.
No, the welds are
Oh, I
terrible.
thought you said it smells weird.
No. Like, dude, look at this.
Yeah.
I had an exhaust leak.
You literally step on it and fucking.
They probably just like welded it from the bottom up, you know. With lubrication is like the way we do it. We put it on and take it off so much that that's what ends up taking a bunch of time,
Yeah.
but it turns out better. You know what I mean?
No, yeah, that's why I came here. But I know y'all do it right.
It takes a while. But
Yeah. Woo, this thing's sick. I want one.
That's a really expensive car.
Those ITBs look sick.
ITBs are insane.
Oh my god, I gotta fix the ISO.
Is this functional?
Is this?
I don't even know who this is. I don't know why I'm messing around with it. I shouldn't be doing.
Yeah, don't do that, bro.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
Don't do that. Please.
But your car's sick to whoever's cars this is. I like it. Y'all see the box? So look, I'm gonna be honest. I was happy with the work that Race Factory did, but I just wasn't happy with the sound. It sounded really good, and it was what I was going for, but it needs a little bit more loud. Now I'm actually gonna drop the exhaust clips. Oh, kapow, skadoosh.
Ooh, we got the sauce. I'm gonna go in the middle of the street because I can. We're in the middle of Mexico. Hey man, that thing sounds pretty good.
Thank you, buddy.
You sure you don't want me to give it a rip so you can hear from the outside? I just try to convince Chris to let me drive it whenever I get the chance. That's all it is. It sounded good. It sounded good. Hey, but I finally figured it out though.
What?
Dude, so when we went on that cruise, remember I told you like I smelled like a metallic smell?
Yeah,
it's your exhaust.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so bad.
Well,
but that's just because it's new. That's just because
it's
it's new.
new.
Yeah.
I can't wait to hear from you. Give her a little rip. Give her the brains. He f***ing limited her. Damn. Okay. Just wait till I get my long tubes. I know I said that I wasn't happy with the sound of it, but I was happy with the work. But hey, y'all can't lie. This sounds hella good. Give it a little dig, bro. Come on, cuz. Yeah, just give it a little dig. Come on. Oh. We're not doing nothing here. We are within legal Mexico limits. Okay? I know. Ricky saw that. Alright, let's go.
Oh, we got a long trip back to the USA.
I know, right?
Is this Uber for the USA?
Yes.
Okay. Trying to get out of Mexico, man. Heard there's muchos drogas.
Wait,
what? What are we doing? Oh, you know how to do it, don't you? Are you sure?
We're not doing it.
Oh. I hit my head.
Alright, we'll try it.
Alright, wait.
Oh. Damn it. Okay, we're not doing this no more. I can't do this no more.
See, it's only in America. Mustangs don't like it in America.
Why can't I did a burnout perfectly the first time, my first burnout ever.
Bro, think about it. You got tires that actually grip now.
You're right. Oh, you know what?
And I warmed them up.
I got 295s now.
Yeah.
No wonder.
And I warmed them up.
You did. Why does it smell like beer back there? You know why? Because we're in Mexico.
I was wondering the same thing.
For real?
I thought it was your car.
Oh, it just smells like beer, bro. It's because we're in Mexico. Oh.
Yeah.
Alright.
Mexico! Sure you don't got beer in here?
I don't.
Alright.
Oh,
It's your sweater, huh?
Oh, no. Fuck. Remember when we went out
Yes.
and I had David with me?
Yes.
He had a Modelo in my car.
Then that fool left it in here.
No. It's not there no more.
Oh, he spilled it.
No. But like, I guess when we were going, like, you know, around turns and stuff,
Yeah.
the can was so thin that it broke and it spilled all over my freaking.
Bro, that's so bad though. If you get pulled over
I know.
and cops like, yo, you smell. I mean, they won't find anything, but like, still, you know, that's like kind of scary. But it's okay because we're in Mexico. Cops don't pull you over here, and if they do, you just hand them like $20.
Exactly. Right. Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do what?
I'm gonna do it.
What? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Hi guys, can I ask you guys a question for YouTube? Do you guys like his car? It's nice. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
See? There you go.
Here we go.
See?
Thank you. He's like, I'm gonna do it. Hey, you know what I thought you could do? I think you're gonna bark at them.
Oh my god. Dude. I'm sorry, bro. I had to picture on my spot.
Dude, I can't believe I fluffed those two burnouts.
Hey man, it happens.
Yeah. Two of them.
Okay, I'm just gonna expose myself on your channel because I can. I've never done a burnout in a manual, so I wouldn't know. I'd probably stall like 100 times before I finally got it right. So it's okay. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, dude. These tires are sticky. You weren't lying.
Well, I'm telling you, bro. It also doesn't. The fact that like you let me drive it and then you told me to give it the beans and I launched it doesn't help. Like it definitely warmed them up because they spun a little bit.
I launched it too.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. We've been launching it in Mexico all day. And now we got a long trip back to the United States.
Yeah.
I put my money on casino.
How do you feel?
Broke.